raised the rank of Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and protect his Muslim nation from that which he fears for it. Thereafter, unity and standing together is important for the Islamic society. If we take a quick glance of unity amongst Muslims in past eras, we realize that it was a key element to building unity within the Muslims. As a result of the Prophet's ﷺ's call, people united and their hearts and hands joined together. Those who immigrated from Mecca to Al-Madinah were graciously received by the Ansar, the residents of Al-Madinah. The bonds of brotherhood were established to such an extent that a member of the Ansar offered to split his wealth and belongings with a Muslim brother. They accepted many hardships for the purposes of raising the Islamic banner and spreading the message the Prophet ﷺ brought to them. Within a few years, they became one body, expressing solidarity. They united in the Arabian Peninsula, they opened Mecca and went far beyond the peninsula, teaching about Islam. Allah said in Surah Al-Imran, Ayah 103, which means, adhere to the true religion of Allah and do not disunite. Recall the endowment of Allah upon you, that you were enemies and Allah mended your hearts together. Everyone repeat after me. Allah said in the Quran, Ayah 103 of Surah Al-Imran, which means adhere to the true religion of Allah and do not disunite. Recall the endowment of Allah upon you, that you were enemies and mended your hearts together. To show a clear example of unity in the time of the Prophet is when the Prophet was sitting with his companions. He saw some people who clearly showed signs of poverty. Their appearances made the Prophet very sad, to the point where his face changed. The Prophet then ordered some of the companions to gather money for those poor people. Some of the companions went between the people to gather as much money as they can until the face of the Prophet lit up with happiness. This was one of the many examples of unity amongst Muslims. May Allah enable the Muslims to be united. And wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.